Here we go. We're live. May 29th, 2012. Bowman Signatures, box 50. We're going to be breaking today. So let's get started. See what we got. Brand new product doesn't release really till tomorrow, the 30th. But if you know people, sometimes you can get this shit early. We're going to be cracking right away. Today from Millie McGee. Let's see what we got in here. I got 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5. 5 packs right here. Empty. Alright, let's see what we got. Starting off with base, Darren McFadden. Alright. First auto, Mohamed Sanu. Blue rookie auto. That's going to be, let me see, not numbered. Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals, wide receiver. And base, Tony Gonzalez. Alright. Not a great start, not the way you want to get started usually, but that's what the rest of these packs are for, you know, catch up. Okay, let's see what we got now. Percy Harvin, Chris Givens, and an Andrew Luck RG3 Combine. That's pretty nice. Not numbered, but so we got the Chris Givens, another wide receiver. 2 packs, 2 wide receivers. Let's hopefully we end with hopefully we see a quarterback or 2 maybe. I'm really looking for that Russell Wilson to get the year started off on the right foot. Jay Cutler, Isaiah Peed, red auto, not numbered, and a DeMarco Murray. Okay, 2 packs left. We're cracking. Matt Forte, Austin Davis, Jaron Kreiner, wide receiver, not numbered, Donateri Poe, Chiefs, Jimmy Graham, Matt Forte, Austin Davis. And that leaves us with our last pack. Redemption. Rookie autograph red ink parallel of Mark Barron. Devier Posey, Torrey Smith. Alright, so red ink parallel Mark Barron. 2012 Bowman football. Alright, that was our Bowman signatures. Check in for later for more breaks. Take it easy. Bye.